Hey, Penelope, can you do your letters? A. What's after A? A.
B.
B.
N.
I know, it's on. You can't turn it off by blowing. That's just a game with Daddy. No, that's just a game. Let's do letters.
1,
Oh, numbers? 1,
2,
2,
3,
3,
4,
4,
5,
5,
6,
6,
7,
7,
8,
8,
9,
9,
10,
10,
11,
11,
12.
12. Yay. Okay, how about A, B, C?
A,
A,
B,
B,
C,
C,
D,
D,
E, F, D, R,
E, F, G,
F,
H,
F, L,
I.
L,
What about J? K, L. Where'd you go? Penelope. L, M, what's after M? Let me see. Oh yeah, that is a D. With a duck? Uh-huh. W. So walrus. Yeah. It's a walrus and a duck. Okay, well this is a really long video. Oh, you made them kiss. Okay, can you say bye-bye?
Bye-bye.
I love you.